Why does one shop sell tomatoes at 20 while another charges 80 for the same thing? Why does a medicine brand have no competitors, but you can find hundreds of mobile brands? The answer lies in the structure of the market. Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where we break down complex economics using simple, animated explanations. In this seventh episode of our Fundamentals and Core Concepts series, we're diving into market structures, from perfect competition to monopoly, and how they impact prices, choices, competition, and profits. And don't forget, the full economics playlist is linked below in the video description. What are market structures? Market structure refers to how a market is organized based on number of buyers and sellers, type of products, level of competition, entry barriers, price control. There are four major types. Let's explore them one by one. 1. Perfect competition, the ideal world. Features: many buyers and sellers, identical products, no control over price, free entry and exit. Example: agricultural markets like wheat, tomatoes, onions. If a seller increases price even slightly, buyers will go elsewhere. Profit margins are low, but competition keeps prices fair. 2. Monopolistic competition, real-world retail. Features: many sellers, differentiated products. Some control over pricing, easy entry and exit. Example: clothing brands, salons, restaurants, cafes. Even though many sellers exist, they use branding, design, or service to stand out and charge slightly higher prices. 3. Oligopoly, the power players. Features: few large firms. Products may be similar or different. High barriers to entry. Strategic decision-making. Example: telecom industry, airlines, smartphones, soft drinks. One company's price change can lead to a price war or collusion. It's competitive but risky. Note, this structure often leads to interdependence. Firms watch each other closely. 4. Monopoly, the one-man show. Features: single seller, no close substitutes, full price control, high barriers to entry. Example: Indian Railways, passenger sector, patented medicines, local electricity boards. Since there's no competition, the seller becomes the price maker. Consumers have no choice but to accept the price. But most monopolies are regulated by governments to prevent abuse of power. Famous quote: "Perfect competition is like a unicorn, beautiful but imaginary." Unknown economist. In real life, we mostly deal with imperfect competition, and understanding market structures helps us decode pricing, strategy, and power. Why this topic matters for students: it's essential for exams and core understanding. For business owners, knowing your market structure helps you set prices smartly. And for curious thinkers, this explains why some products are cheap and others overpriced. Next up, in the next animated lesson, we'll explore national income, GDP, GNP, NNP, explained simply. We'll break down big numbers that define a country's economy. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and binge the entire economics playlist linked below. This is the Learning Studio, turning textbook concepts into visual, everyday learning.